Hey all, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show how we can query the Spark data frame without creating a temporary view. So let's begin. So in order to read a file that is CSV, we used to write spark.read.csv and we used to provide the dbfs path. Okay, if you hover around, you can see all the parameters that have been passed here. So I've used infer schema s2 to detect the data type of each column automatically, or we can define it using struct type keyword and define individual data type of each column, and then header equal to true. If we are not providing header equal to true, it will consider this as a row itself. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so here you can see underscore c0, c1 and c2 will be present, and it has considered the column name as a row itself. So in order to, yeah, so the first method that we are already aware of, we can create a view and provide a view name. Okay, let's say temp view. Okay, and now we can query directly from temp view. Okay, let's me write select star from temp view. Okay, yeah, write show. We need to write show in order to retrieve its data. Okay, but there is another way. Okay, without creating a temporary view. Okay, what we can do, we can just write select star from. Okay, instead of this we will pass the table name as a parameter. Okay, and here we will write table equal to, and here the value it takes is the data frame. Okay, the Spark data frame that we created above. Okay, so what we will do, we will write just df here. So what we have done, select star from table, where table is equal to data frame. Okay, and here we will write show. So here you can see our output is same. So here we are creating a create or replace temporary view, but here without creating a view, we are retrieving the data of a table. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate us a lot and will enable us to create more and more videos. Have a nice day.